I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel Ava's Luxury for Less with me Avanita. Guys, in my video today I'm just going to show you how I decorate my dining room table and also my console table. So guys, if you want to see how it turned out, just please stick with me until the end. So straight here, as you can see, I'm just going ahead and then just using some glass cleaner just to clean my tabletop. You know, this was my table that I did my epoxy on and I'm still loving it. Looks still so beautiful. So if you guys haven't seen that video, just please check this video out until the end and go over and just check it out, or I'll leave a link in the description box below so you can check out that video. But yeah, I'm just going ahead just to use my tablecloth that I got from BNM, and it was $5.99. To be quite honest with you, I didn't expect it to be this long. On the packet it says it's long enough to fit a table that has 8 chairs. I have 8 chairs, but you know, my table, if I extend it out, there's no room in my living room. But anyway, it's a really good deal. You know, hardly you find a tablecloth that can fit a table with 8 chairs. So yeah. And also I just went in with my vase and these flowers that I got from B&M as well. I'll leave a link in the description box below with all the items that I've purchased and also the cost of them, so if you guys want to check them out as well. I'm so in love with these flowers. They're so beautiful. So also guys, I just want to say thank you so much for coming back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment and share. And if you're returning subscribers, guys, thank you so much, so much for continuing to check out my video. I do appreciate your comments, your likes, shares. I do appreciate everything. So from here, I'm just gonna head with my red charger plate that I got last year from BNM. They were £1 each and I bought 6 in total. What I did this year, I just kind of put some gems around it. As you can see, if you took real good notice, you'll see that I did a little bit of a decor on top of it, but I was happy the way it turned out. So it's not like, oh, I did something and it didn't turn out the way I wanted it to. Yeah, so I did like it. So from there I went in with my plates as well. I got these plates from B&M. I'll leave a link in the description box below. And my wine glasses, I got them from IKEA. This is from last year. So yeah. But also this garland, I had it since 2015. I'm sorry, 2016. But I normally only use it on my fireplace, but because I made my own garland this year, I didn't use it. So I'll leave a link with those stuff if it's still available. And these candle holders, or these hurricane candles, I got them from B&M. Again, I'll leave a link in the description box below. And I just went in with some cherry sprays, yeah, and just kind of full up the garland just to make it look a lot fuller than how it was looking. Guys, I don't want to tell you how nice and how fun this was to do. It was quite late, I'm not gonna lie to you. If I tell you the time, you might think, oh my god. So this was at 3:30 in the morning and I had to wake up at 6:30 to go to college and also drop Trayvon to school, but it was worth it. I had so much fun. And I just went in with some mushroom that I got from B&M. Was £3. These candles, these, sorry, not candles, these stars, I had them from the pound store 2 years ago. They're £1. I saw some, but it's not in the stars anymore. It's mostly like the polar bear and stuff like that. And the red and silver candle, I got it from Wilkinson. They were £1 each. The mousse that I just put over there, I got those from Primark last year. They were £3 on sale. And I just went in with some silver and gold Christmas bulb. I am so happy and really pleased with myself the way it turned out, and the fact that it was that late, but it was so quiet, it was so peaceful. I was just there by myself. And I just did a little decor of the chair. I just put you know, one of the throw and one of my green pillows, and then I just went in with some white garland beads, and then just did a little bit of a decor because the chair, they just look bare to me. I didn't have that much decor, you know, to put on the chair because normally I don't really decorate my chair, but because it looks so dry, that's a good word to say, I just decided, okay, I have to do something. Took me a while to kind of get it together, but in the end I did love it. It turned out really well. So as you can see, even if you don't have decoration to put on your chair. You can make up decoration. These are just you know, beads that I had, and that red ribbon thing is basically what I got with my throw, and I just put it together, made a bow, and that's it. And then this is what the end result look like. Guys, check out my table. My Christmas table is so amazing. And guys, you remember my napkin rings that I made out of shower rings, yes, and with some gems. And then these little picks on the bows there, the gold and silver ones, I got them from Wilco. They were £1. I had these actually from last year, so I didn't buy these, but I'll leave a link. I saw them there. And there's my charity candle holder. Is £6. I pay for it in the charity shop in Edmonton Green. This one, as I said, I paid £10 each in BNM for the hurricane glass. And look at these flowers. They're so beautiful. They're a mixture of flowers. I got some from BNM, and also I got some from Home Bargain. And yeah, just look at the decor that I made on the chair. So amazing, so amazing. That's one of the ribbons. Again, the gray one is from my gray throw that I got from Wilco in my last haul that I show you guys. So guys, if you think I've done well so far, please give me a like, give me a comment. Let me know what you like so much about the table. Tell me what you don't like, so at least I know what you guys are looking for. Let me know what you think about the whole process. Anyway, so this is my table decor. To be honest with you, I think maybe I've overdone it with the chair, but I'll have a look again. And then yeah, this is my console table. Unfortunately, I lost the recording. I have no idea what happened, but I can't find the recording of the console table that I did. So basically what I had to do was just video it because it was so late, and I needed to sleep. Okay, I didn't get that much sleep, but I needed to. And then I had to wake up early to go to college and drop Trayvon. So I just decided, okay, I'll just leave it, do a quick video, and then that's it. But I'm happy with it. As you guys can see, this Let It Snow, pillow or cushion, I got it from Aldi, was $4.99. And those pine cone trees, those there, I got it from the pound store. Again, I got those with the stars that I showed you before. And then that cone Christmas tree under the bottom with the silver tinsel and the lights, I made that in my short video. I think it was on Tuesday. If you haven't seen that, I'll leave a link in the description box below. And also this candle holder, I got it from Home Bargain. It was $4.99. I had the red one to this last year, but unfortunately one of them broke, so I was so disappointed. Quite happy when I went back and saw it. And then these are my garlands that I made for the top of my console table. I'll leave a link with all the stuff that I use in the description box below, but this is basically what my living room looks like at the moment. There's a throw that I was telling you about that I got from Wilco. I use my lantern and just put some of those tartan gift wrap in it, just put some lights. This is my fireplace from last week. I am so much in love with it. Everything just ties in really nice. It's really nice and cozy. Trust me, you guys want to be at my house. Honestly guys, you do want to be at my house every evening. Me and Trayvon come home, we just have a nice cup of hot chocolate, we sit in the chair and just cozy up and just watch some really, you know, long movie. But anyway, yeah, I had to go over the table again. I'm so sorry guys, but I'm so proud of myself. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Let me know if this is something that you would try, or let me know if I did earn, you know, a thumbs up from you. Comment below and let me know what you think. So guys, I just want to say thank you so much for checking out my videos with me. And also guys, please check out my playlist below. Guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Thank you guys. Bye.